Follow the following rules to make your bedroom Feng Shui compliant and have a good night's sleep. Turn your entry beautiful with placing flowers, go green etc. and also let it be well lit and bright. A home with full of clutter and mess generally restrict free flow of energy. The artwork should incorporate all positive vibes into your room and does away with depression. You can go for soft stuff like blankets, pillows, sleep-related items. It will help free flow of energy and also heal you while asleep. Most importantly, paint your room with the color of imagination and let positivity flow in. Place headboard as it signifies balance, stability and support in your relationship. Decorative pieces like metal bowls, statues, and small sculptures not only add up to the beauty but also make your space Feng Shui compliant. With a positive intention, let there be a positive connection of your intentions with your environment. With color as per you need. Go for red if you desire to ignite your passion, go for neutral shades for relaxation. Take blues and greens for health and healing, pick up pink and peaches for long-lasting relationships. Go for Feng Shui-friendly colors. Paint your bedroom with color as per you need. Avoid the coffin position where feet point out the door. Declutter underneath your bed from stuff like shoes, luggages etc.as it can cause instability in your life and relationship. Bed should be placed so that is equal space on both the side of the bed. Be careful about the art piece. The art piece you hang in the bedroom should be such that it lifts up your mood. Family photos can be saved for other room. Art of single people or objects should not be placed. The clutter anyways obstruct the positive energy from reaching the residence. Feng Shui your bedroom. Bedroom is the most important part of your house personally and in Feng Shui as well.